The world's most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, rose over the 43,000 mark. It was up by over 14% at $43,218. This is how the war between Russia and Ukraine affected the largest crypto project in the world. What does this mean for us in the crypto space? Let's dig deeper, so stay with us till the end of the video. Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Intel. Bitcoin's price rose over 15% as the global cryptocurrency market was trading high. Bitcoin's gain was the largest in the year after investors saw opportunity for cryptocurrencies even as the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war continues to escalate, according to data on CoinDesk, a news site specializing in Bitcoin and digital currencies. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. Bitcoin has risen the most since July amid speculation that cryptocurrencies will gain in the wake of sanctions against Russia. According to iCapital chief investment strategist Anastasia Amoroso, many Russian citizens and potentially Ukrainian citizens cannot move their rubles, dollars, euros, or anything else. The world's most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, rose over $43,000 mark. It was up by over 14% at $43,218. The world's biggest and best-known cryptocurrency was also up 26.4% from the year's low of $32,950.72 on January 24. Bitcoin will have to remain above the 100-day moving average in order to confirm upside targets. The lower support is witnessed at $37,000. This could stabilize pullbacks into Asia trading day, according to CoinDesk. Veteran investor Mark Mobius said the recent rally in Bitcoin can be attributed to Russians buying into the cryptocurrency. He positioned himself into the point of view of a Russian citizen, and he thought if he was a Russian, he would definitely be a buyer. He thinks that the reason why Bitcoin has shown strength now is because the Russians have a way of getting money out, getting their wealth out. Bitcoin prices surged 10% on Monday as sanctions were imposed on Russian institutions, including banks, in response to the country's invasion of Ukraine. Since the invasion began Thursday, transactions on decentralized Bitcoin exchange in both the Russian ruble and the Ukrainian hryvnia surged to their highest levels in months. Bitcoin was trading around $43,327 on the first day of March 2022. As for the financial markets, since February 24, investors around the world are concerned about the global economy, soft fiat currencies, and geopolitical tensions. The US has responded to Moscow's unprovoked attack on Ukraine with several rounds of sanctions on Russian banks, its central bank, the country's sovereign debt, Vladimir Putin, and Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. Over the weekend, the US, European allies, and Canada agreed to cut off Russian banks from the interbank messaging system, SWIFT, which connects to more than 11,000 banks and financial institutions in over 200 countries and territories. The White House is also pursuing the personal wealth of Russian billionaires, recently announcing the creation of a task force that will target their lucrative assets, including yachts and mansions. If not for Bitcoin, the Russians would really be in trouble with all the closures of the different avenues for them to transfer money out. Trading volumes in Bitcoin using the Russian ruble have risen to the highest level since May, while those based on the Ukrainian hryvnia have risen to a level not seen since October, according to a crypto data firm Kaiko. Technical analysts also noted that Bitcoin traded above its 50-day moving average again. It has spent much of the last 3 months trading below that trend line. Meanwhile, Ari Redboard of TRM Labs, a blockchain intelligence company, said that Russia will turn to cryptocurrencies in an attempt to evade sanctions. However, crypto can't be used on the scale that would come anywhere near solving the sanctions problem. There's just not the liquidity there to really make a dent in terms of what Russia is facing right now, as most of the liquidity is at large crypto exchanges that have robust compliance controls to monitor transactions that would file suspicious activity reports. So, where do we invest amid geopolitical tensions? Veteran investors encourage their fellow investors to diversify their portfolios and buy some gold as geopolitical tensions spilled over into markets. Gold, traditionally a safe haven in times of uncertainty, rose more than 6% in February. Spot gold was last trading at around $1,908 per ounce. European investors, to be specific, were encouraged to start diversifying out of Europe into the US and some Asian markets. This is a very good lesson in diversification, apparently. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 lost 4.6% in the past month, and Germany's DAX index has dropped 5.6% in the same period, according to FactSet data. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum, rose over 11% at $2,917. Other major cryptocurrencies were trading in the green. XRP was up by over 7%. Terra rose 23%, Solana gained 11%, Avalanche was up by 19%, Cardano over 10%, and Polkadot up by 8%. Popular altcoins such as Stellar was up by 9%, Doji gained over 7%, Polygon up by 9%, Shiba Inu up by 8%, and Chainlink rose by 10%. Digital currencies flowed by the start of March, with Bitcoin and Ether soaring after a volatile weekend. Bitcoin rose as much as 12% to $41,946, while Ether gained around 8.7%. Even altcoins and meme coins like SOL by Solana, Luna by Terra, and Dogecoin, which are prone to wild volatility, had a positive trend. According to the CEO of Front Financial, Stefan Ouellette, with the unstable banking situation in the region as a whole, we may see a multitude of cryptocurrencies as another possible means of payment, or they could simply be speculators assuming there will be more demand for cryptocurrencies in the region. Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced counter-sanctions as countries around the world piled up sanctions against Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The ruble has lost a third of its value in offshore trade at one point, its biggest drop in history. That's all for this video. Do you think the Bitcoin market will remain bullish during the conflict between Russia and Ukraine? Let us know in the comments below. If you learned anything from our videos or have any crypto-related topic that you want us to cover, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notify to get more updates from our channel and become more intelligent about the crypto world. See you in our next video!